Welcome to day number 57 of the 5 Luo Words A Day. Today we talk about Anyim, Nuka, anyuola, and anyuongi. So let's move on. Anyim. Anyim. Anyim is a species of wild green which looks like sesame seeds. And in an example you can say, Mia anyim adwa madho godo chai. Mia anyim adwa madho godo chai. Anyim. Now anyim and simsim are almost similar. Almost similar. Our second word of the day is anyim. Anyim is also a species of bird, but I don't have the image of the bird. So anyim is, there's a bird called anyim. I do not have the image, so I just put a generic image of a bird. Anyim. Anyim. And our third word is anyuka. 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 Anyuka is a species of hardwood tree, and also it's the edible fruit of the anyuka tree. So if you have the tree anyuka, then its fruit is also called anyuka. In an example of a sentence, I would say, Adwa gero oda kod bao mar anyuka. Adwa gero oda kod bao mar anyuka. Kod bao mar anyuka. Then the fourth one is anyuola. Anyuola. Anyuola is genealogy or lineage. In an example, in a sentence, you can say ma en anyuola na. So, if you want to present that this is your genealogy, then this is what you'd represent. This is you, An, Owadwa, my brother, Nyaminwa, my sister, Nyathina, my sister, my son, my daughter, Wuonwa, my father, Kwara, my great-grandfather, Kwerega, my great-great-grandfathers, Nera, my uncle, Waya, my aunt. That's anyuola. And the last word of the day is anyuongi. Anyuongi. So anyuongi is a water crowfoot. It's a plant used as water crowfoot. It is used for it spreads on top of the water so that the water does not get dirty or does not get contaminated. So in an example of a sentence, you can say, Adwa keto anyuongi e pi mondo ogeng buru. Adwa keto anyuongi e pi mondo ogeng buru. Great. So that brings us to the end of the 5 Luo Words A Day for today. Please consider subscribing to the channel and also look at the playlist for all the 56 other 5 Luo Words A Day. Goodbye and see you tomorrow. Oriti.